लाइफ पार्टनर चूज करना कोई रोमांटिक डिसीजन नहीं होता। नहीं, ये कोई इमोशनल डिसीजन होता है। ये एक स्ट्रक्चरल डिसीजन होता है जिसके बेसिस पे आप अपनी लाइफ को प्रिपेयर करते हैं। वो स्ट्रक्चर जिस पे आप अपनी लाइफ बनाते हैं, वो स्ट्रक्चर जिसके बेसिस पे आपने जो इतने सपने देखे हैं ना, आप उसको पूरा करते हैं। बिकॉज द पर्सन यू मैरी will decide how confident you feel, how peaceful your home is, how confident and happy your children are, how fast you grow, how slowly you die, and in most of the cases, how much you succeed in your life. And yet, most people choose their life partner based on attraction, pressure, fear of loneliness, not actually understanding what they are choosing. So, today I want to help you avoid that one mistake people regret after it's too late. और एक बात बताऊं, if you can, just look around. You will find more people stuck in bad relationship than in a bad job. They are exhausted, frustrated, drained, not because their life is hard, because the person they chose to spend their life with, they are making it hard for them every day. और उसमें भी उनकी कोई गलती नहीं है, because they did not choose a wrong partner intentionally. because उन्हें क्या पता, उन्हें तो ऐसा लगा कि उन्हें उनकी जिंदगी की सबसे बड़ी खुशी मिल गई है, and now like all problems are solved, सारे प्रॉब्लम खत्म. Like they did not choose the wrong life partner intentionally. They chose because they're not aware that how critical this decision is going to be. और उसमें ये पता है, उसमें उनकी कोई गलती नहीं है, उसमें हमारी कोई गलती नहीं होती. Because no one actually teaches us how to select a life partner. We are taught how to, like how to choose a car, how to choose a phone, how to choose a career, but not this. Let me tell you something uncomfortable but true. You don't just marry a person. You marry their habits, their beliefs, their emotional pattern, their unhealed wounds. और लव इन सब चीजों को कहीं कम नहीं करता. It multiplies with time. It increases with time. That's why this decision is not only about butterflies. It's about long-term compatibility and short-term chemistry. And listen, your partner is going to shape up your nervous system for years. That means your mind and body will get affected by how he treats you and the challenges which comes on everyday basis. If he's calm, you feel safe. If he has anger issue, you live in anxiety. If he's emotionally mature, you expand, you grow. If he's insecure, not confident, you shrink, you live in fear. Because psychology says that your partner creates a primary environment for you. Before any city, any society, any neighborhood, your partner creates a small environment for you where you live 24/7. आपने शायद सुना होगा किसी को ये कहते हुए that I do not recognize myself anymore. Their partner could be one reason. I'm going to tell you 5 important qualities to look for when you're deciding your life partner. Number 1 is always emotional maturity. No age, no looks, probably no money, but emotional maturity. Can he take responsibility? Can he listen to you without being aggressive or defending himself? Can he handle discomfort without exploding? So, my friend, love without emotional maturity becomes emotional labor. Number 2 is conflict style. Now, we all know that every couple fights, nothing special. But how they fight decides everything. Do they understand each other? or they just want to win. How quickly they resolve their fight, or they just want to punish each other with silence. Number three is growth mindset. Ask yourself, is he excited? Is he curious about growth? Or is he scared about it? ये चीज हमें हमेशा याद रखना चाहिए कि वो पार्टनर जो खुद ग्रोथ में बिलीव नहीं करता है ना, वो आपको ग्रो कभी नहीं होने देगा. Number four is values over vibes. How do they value family, finances, health, honesty, boundaries? जब दो पार्टनर की वैल्यूज अलाइंड होते हैं ना, तो एवरी डे बेसिस पे जो आपको डिसीजंस लेना होता है वो एक टीम वर्क बन जाता है, कोई टग ऑफ वॉर नहीं रह जाता. और रिसर्च ये कहता है कि जब दो पार्टनर एक दूसरे की वैल्यूज में सपोर्ट करते हैं, एक दूसरे की ग्रोथ में सपोर्ट करते हैं, तो उनकी सक्सेस के चांसेस कहीं ज्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं. क्यों? Because together they create a growth environment. Together they create a growth environment for each other. And that's the reason they grow faster. Number five is how they treat power. इस चीज को याद रखिए that how they behave when they are angry, when they are stressed, when they are in pressure, or when they are in full control. Because वही उनकी real personality होती है. And most of the people are not choosing a partner. They are choosing escape. Escape from their family, escape from their parents, escape from societal pressure. And this decision for them becomes a fear-based decision. A healthy relationship is not something you build in fear, or not something you just get into it. This is something you build consciously. This is something you build repeatedly on everyday basis. So now here is a part which is going to help you a lot. अब जितना ज्यादा, जितना डीपली, जितना क्लियरली आप खुद को समझेंगे, like your wounds, your triggers, your values, आप उतना सही डिसीजन ले पाएंगे, आप उतना सही सिलेक्शन कर पाएंगे. Because you want somebody who is aligned to your values, who is aligned to what you want from your life. Not what your parents want from you, not what your relatives want from you. So remember this. When we are talking about choosing a life partner, we are just not talking about the butterflies or Bollywood romance. We are talking about the person who is going to create your primary environment. The person who shapes your habit, the person who shapes your future, the person who shapes your life. So don't rush this choice. Don't come in pressure. Don't let anyone else decide. Because the right life partner will not just complete your life. They will help you become the version you want to be. Choose wisely. So if this video gave you clarity, don't just stop there. Let me know in comment. And share it with someone who is going to take this important decision of choosing a life partner. And subscribe, because I make content for people who are done repeating the painful pattern. Thanks for watching.